Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And today is another activation of Lima Alpha 2532 Fredrikstad Fortress in Halden, Norway. And as last time, I'm going to show you some beautiful, beautiful winter pictures of the park. But I got something new today. And here's the reason why I'm doing a new video. This is the Xiegu X6100. Running it today with 10 watts and external power bank, as I've showed you, 12-volt power bank. And I'm going to try to activate the park. First on sideband, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to change over to FT-8 and see if everything works out fine. So hang on, watch me do the activation, and I'll show you some pictures of the park on the way. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 2532.
Yeah, Papa Bravo.
Papa Bravo, come again.
Italy United 1,
Italy
Italy Papa Bravo.
United 1, Italy Papa Bravo, QSL.
Roger, Roger. You are 555 with me, 55 in Northwest Italy.
Thank you. You're 5 and 9 here at Park Lima Alpha 2532. Thank you for the call, 73. QRZ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Echo Alpha 3 Florida, QSL. Thank you. 5 and 9 here as well. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Papa something Charlie Victor Delta. Please come again. Papa America 2 Charlie Victor Delta. 5 and 9 plus here in southern Norway. QSL. QSL, thank you for the 5 and 9, and thank you for helping me activate. Only doing QRP today, so all calls are appreciated more than usual. 7-3. I heard 1 week station, something golf, over. Whiskey something, QSL. Wow, Whiskey 1, X-Ray Zulu, transatlantic on QRP. I am amazed. You got up to a 5 and 7, 57 on your last pass there, over. QSL, I am amazed on the band conditions if I'm able to reach Massachusetts on 10 watts. This has been a great one. Thank you for giving me some DX on my Parks on the Air activation here. 7-3. This has been a great activation. Got 16 in a log with QRP, and the 6100 seems to be a great reg. Need to test it a little bit more, but I mean, it's got 10 watts, it's got an internal tuner, it's got everything I need in a QRP rig. And being able to do a transatlantic QSO was certainly fantastic. So 16 contacts in the log, mostly Europe, and 1 from Massachusetts. It's been great as usual. And my goal is actually to get a kilo in this park, so I'll be working on that. So if you want to activate Lima Alpha 2532, there will be a lot of chances through winter and spring. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.